Hi, I'm Gary Trott. Welcome to this series of how-to videos on SmartCast technology, the simplest and most intuitive intelligent lighting product available today. In this segment, I'm going to show you how to create an occupancy group. And an occupancy group is just what it sounds like, a group of lights that all turn on at the same time when they detect an occupancy event. So for instance, when someone walks in this door, you want this occupancy sensor to tell every one of the lights to turn on. And so by default, with one button setup, that happens, but maybe you want to change a different group. And the way you do that is you use the configuration tool, or the CT. And so with the CT, this one in fact has already been connected to the network. And here we're going to hit Modify Groups, and then Create Groups, and then Occupancy. And now we're going to use the green LED that is at the end of this CT to select the luminaires. And the instruction is to aim at a device sensor. In this case, it's a little black circle next to the white dome on this light. And so sometimes this takes one or two tries, but it's usually pretty quick. And so what happens is that when the light's been selected, it will dim down. And when it dims down, that's telling you that it's been chosen. And also on the screen here, it says 1 luminaire added. Now you can either choose to add another or be done. In this case, we want to add one more. So we're going to add this luminaire over here. So I walk over here, point again at that black circle next to the white dome. And then once it's selected, it's going to dim down, and I see the 2 on the screen here. And in this case, it says add another. I don't want to do that. I'm actually done, so I hit done. It says working. And I go to main menus, and now you have changed your occupancy. You've created a brand new occupancy group. So feel free to go to the other videos on the How-to SmartCast series to learn about the other amazing capabilities with the platform. Thank you.